Hello, respectable audience. We have a question, and mostly people solve it in wrong way. They will solve in such a way that first of all, they solve parentheses. They will get 0, and here we have multiplication sign. And 6 minus 6 is again will be equal to 0. When they multiply 0 and 0, they will get 0. Hence, 0 will be their answer. But remember that 0 is incorrect. Actually, we have to solve this question according to some order of operation, which is known as PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS rule is basically order of operation in which first of all we have parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication, then division. Remember that this portion has most importance. Okay, now multiplication and division both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction, these have also same priority. Now let us come to follow it and move from left to right. First of all, we have parentheses. Here, we have parentheses. So first of all, we have to solve parentheses, which will be equal to 2 minus 2, which will be results in 0. Here we can put multiplication, and 6 minus 6 will be written as it is. Now, most students do this portion first, but it is not correct. Remember that according to this order of operation, exponent is missing. Then there is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication, so we have to follow this rule and solve first this step. So we will get 6 minus 0, because 6 times 0 will be equal to 0. So we will get 6, which will be our correct answer by following PEMDAS rule. Thank you for your support.